In this video, we will discuss the Peacock strategy. This strategy is applicable for fixed time and Forex trading. It is effective for 1+ minute time frames. This strategy is based on the Olymp up, Olymp down, parabolic SAR, and zigzag indicators. The Olymp up and Olymp down indicators represent the strength of the current trend, and a zigzag indicates its direction. When an uptrend prevails, the Olymp up line is above 70, and the Olymp down line is below the level of 50. If at that moment the points of the parabolic indicator are below the price chart, while zigzag line is directed upwards, open an up trade. Conversely, when a downtrend prevails, the Olymp down line is above 70, and the Olymp up line is below the level of 50. If at that moment the points of the parabolic indicator are above the price chart, while zigzag line is directed downwards, open a down trade. Let's try our strategy in practice. In this example, we will open a chart for the Australian dollar-US dollar currency pair in fixed time mode and set chart time frame to 1 minute. Let's now switch to the indicator section and select the Trading Strategies tab. We will use the Peacock strategy. Parabolic indicator points and zigzag lines have appeared along the price chart, and the Olymp up and Olymp down indicators have opened below the chart. The required settings are applied automatically. Wait for the parabolic points to appear above the price chart, the zigzag line reverse downwards, Olymp down line to appear above the 70 marker, and Olymp up line to appear below the 50 marker to open a down trade. Open a 3 to 5 minutes trade. Our forecast was correct. Wait for parabolic points to appear below the price chart, the zigzag line reverse upwards, Olymp up line to appear above the 70 marker, and Olymp down line to appear below the 50 marker to open an up trade. Open a 2 to 5 minute trade. Our forecast was correct. Use stop loss and take profit orders when trading with the Peacock strategy in Forex mode to adjust your trades more accurately. We recommend that the stop loss is set to 50% of the trade amount, while the take profit is set to 150% of the trade amount. Trade on the Olymp Trade platform using strategies to get maximum results.